Welcome to the second cleanest city of India, Surat.
Surat, Gujarat is this year's winner of the award for India's cleanest city number 2 in the population of more than 1 lakh category.
Surat is one of the 6 proud 5-star cities of the country. Surat is an ODF++ city. With a capacity of 75 tons per day, plastic waste of the city is recycled to produce pellets and crude oil using pyrolysis technology at the Plastic Waste Management Plant in Bhattar. To improve and make container lifting system more efficient, 75 container spots which will be upgraded with smart underground waste bin under the Smart City Mission in Area-Based Development ABD projects. To ensure efficient waste segregation, the bins are divided into dry and wet waste. It is a significant step in making Surat a container-free city. Surat Municipal Corporation has 22 mechanized sweeper machines for the night sweeping and brushing, ensuring better quality of sweeping and brushing. Door-to-door automated weighing system. Over 1.8 million households are covered into door-to-door segregated garbage collection, which is being carried out with 551 vehicles. To identify each vehicle at transfer station and final disposal site, RFID link the vehicle identity with the weight recorded automatically at weighbridge across all transfer stations. Over 3 tons of waste from all the pyres and other religious places is processed at various vermicompost plants in the city. Beautification of vertical garden at GD Goenka Road. Construction and demolition waste operational plant capacity is 300 tons per day.
મારા તમામ સાથી સુરતી પરિવારજનોને સમાચાર આપતા ખૂબ આનંદ અને ગૌરવની લાગણી અનુભવું છું કે આપણું સુરત શહેર આખાય દેશમાં 1 લાખ કરતાં વધારે વસ્તી ધરાવતા તમામ શહેરોમાં સ્વચ્છતાની દ્રષ્ટિએ બીજા ક્રમે આવ્યું છે. આ સફળતાનો યશ હું તમામ મારા સાથી સુરતી નગરજનોને અને આ માટે રાત દિવસ જેમણે કામ કર્યું હોય એ સ્વચ્છતા દૂતોને આપું છું. ફરી એક વખત ખૂબ અભિનંદન અને આટલા ઉમદા સહકાર બદલ તમામનો હૃદયપૂર્વક આભાર વ્યક્ત કરું છું.
With a workforce of highly skilled men and women, SMC has been in the forefront of managing civic amenities in the city of Surat under the leadership of its municipal commissioner.
સુરત એવું એક શહેર જેમાં પહેલી વખત રાત્રિ સફાઈ શરૂ કરવામાં આવી. સુરત એવું એક શહેર જેમાં ખૂબ સારી રીતે પબ્લિક પ્રાઇવેટ પાર્ટનરશિપના મારફત સ્વચ્છતા અનુદાન સ્કીમ જાહેર કરવામાં આવી અને એ અમલ કરવામાં આવી. અને રિસાયકલિંગ માટે સુરત એવા એક શહેર હશે જેમાં આખા દુનિયામાં સ્વેજ વોટરમાંથી 140 કરોડ રૂપિયાનું ઇન્કમ થાય છે. એટલે રિડક્શનમાં હોય કે રીયુઝમાં હોય કે રિસાયકલમાં હોય, સુરત આખા દેશમાં એક સીમાચિહ્ન કામ સ્વચ્છ ભારત મિશનમાં કરી રહ્યા છે.
As a result of relentless efforts, Surat Municipal Corporation has several firsts to its credit. For the first time in India, as a civic body, night sweeping activity is undertaken. Under the Swachhata Anudan scheme, housing societies are given a grant for self-cleaning under PPP model. At present, a total of 865 numbers of societies are benefited under this scheme. The scheme empowers individual societies for maintaining the internal cleanliness of the premises. In order to recycle and reuse city's wastewater, the tertiary sewage treatment plant at Bamroli supplies industrial-grade water to Pandesara Industrial Estate. 140 crore rupees of revenue is generated as income for the SMC. The project saves drinking water being used for industrial purpose as well. Every waste generated in the city is recycled. The city is so clean that people can sit and enjoy street food on the footpaths. Every Safai Kamdar of the city is provided with adequate PPE. Each Safai Kamdar and his/her family members are provided with free health cover. With the mission to reuse, reduce and recycle city's solid waste on a daily basis and to make Surat a dynamic, vibrant, beautiful, self-reliant and sustainable with all basic amenities to provide a better quality of life. Surat is already described by many as dust-free and garbage-free city. With Bahujan Hitai, Bahujan Sukhai is a concept of welfare of the many, happiness of the many. Surat Municipal Corporation is on a glorious journey to keep the city clean, prosperous and healthy, thereby ensuring well-being of all its citizens. Clean Surat, Green Surat. Jai Hind.